shut it down. Hey guys, Jeff the maintenance man. We are going to be looking at a locking bar heater. It's trying to light, it lights, and it goes right back out. And it smells really heavy with gas, more heavier than usual. So what's the first thing we do? We go check the gas levels in the tank, which it shouldn't be empty because it was 80% around Friday. And today is Tuesday. So we're just gonna, and it can't be the igniter. Alright, we're at 30% it says. Hopefully that needle says what it says. And oh no, that says 80%, I'm sorry. But alright, see it's calling again. You can hear it. And it shut right back off. So that's 80% it says. My thing is, I bet you this thing's lying too. But find out. I mean, eventually it'll go into its lockout status. So didn't bring any tools, didn't even really get a call on this. I just walked by and heard it short cycling like it's doing. Maybe it'll, yeah, it went back into pre-purge. I'll shut it down for a second. Just a kind of a heavy smell of propane. So after it tries so often, it'll go into lockout until full reset. So we'll give it a chance here. Nobody's complaining about no hot water yet, probably because it's short cycling so much. But it's definitely going to be oh shoot, an error. Sorry about that, headphone users. Going to be a definite air gas ratio kind of thing, pressure switch or something, or this might not be sealed all the way. These things are very finicky about air fuel ratio down to inches of mercury. So I don't have a micrometer or anything like that, or so turn it back on here. And we're not you know, I probably should have looked at the flashing codes, but I guarantee you it was one flash, low air or high, yeah, low air probably. Let's see what it does. It's gotta go through its system check here. Da, da, da. Well, come on, buddy. See flash codes. You're set. Because I want to take the panel off to see the trouble codes. What? Now it's not calling? And what was all that short cycling crap for? I tell you, man. That's the hot. That's the cutoff there. This is the set point here. So we'll just turn this a little bit. There we go. So we can see if it'll stay on. I'll turn it back down to 115. Alright. Pre-purge. Stop for ignition. I'm not getting trouble codes yet. See a flash. One flash. It does it real quick. So it's low air condition, which could be this pressure switch. I don't think there's another one in here. Well, that might be some of the problem. See if I do that. Well, another thing, let's see if somebody put a filter in this thing. Well, I gotta take it apart. I don't have my tools. I'll be back with, I didn't bring my screwdriver, like always. Just leave this open for now, and we'll see. Well, actually, you know what? I'll close it. Maybe it'll behave different. Who knows? Kind of hard to do with one hand, like I see. There we go. Okay, we're back. Still doing the same thing. Staying lit a little bit longer, but not by much. Alright, so let's see. See, this is so hard to do one-handed. So I got my meter down here. Well, I'll put it over here about to prevent electrical shock thing, you know. Flow switch right there. So I need to probe this and see if it's normally closed, normally open, something like that, but I can really not get y'all set up any better than that. I'm serious. Sorry guys. You can just, this is when I use my glasses today. Shut her down, shut her down. Let's start over here. Let's start over. Hold on just a second. Ah, shit. Alright. That one's gonna go there. And brown's gonna go down. Brown is down. Alright, sorry. Sorry about that. Just unhooked some wires, that's all. Just unhook the wires here, and I think we're looking for normally closed. We're going to check that on the schematic here. Actually, it's normally open, so we're looking for it to go closed. Alright, yeah, so normally it's open. See where it says NO right there? So we're going to check and make sure that this is normally, I mean, when it's operating, it should close that circuit. So it's normally open. Guys, seriously, I can't do this. I mean, I can't set up tripods and shit at my work, you know what I mean? So, let me see what happens here. Right now I should not get a beep, so, and the power's off, so I should not be getting a beep at all. Oh, actually I should. And it should go normally open. See, I can't do this, guys. Not one-handed. Sorry. Just listen out for the beep, man. Which there is none. Hold on. This thing's not even mounted in here and shit, so somebody's been screwing around with it before. Here. I'm just gonna... There we go. Now I can probably do it. There we go. Took it out. No kinked hoses. No, it doesn't look kinked or anything. So, alright, so you got your common here. You have your normally wipe it off here so it'll focus. I don't know if it's gonna focus or not, but normally closed. Just take my word for it. This is your common. It's normally closed. Or normally open, I'm sorry. Good Lord. So I shouldn't get a beep, and I should get a beep when it turns on. So I shouldn't get a beep. And I don't. I don't get a beep. Does the beep work? Yes, the beep works. So that's normally open, the way it's supposed to be. Let's fire it back up. Let's get those fans running. And then I should get a beep. So, and nothing's crimped or anything, so that little thing's not crimped or anything, so we should be getting a beep. And if we do, then I'm not sure what the heck's going on with this thing. Probably just needs to be adjusted. But to adjust this paddle here, which lets in more air or less air or whatever, requires a micrometer and stuff. So, oh, that's what it was. My autofocus was turned off. Yeah. So you need like inches of mercury and blah 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 blah, this, that, and the other. So the noise you hear is the charging pump for it, and there's a heat exchanger. That thing's made out of bronze and copper. And there's gas line. And this is your in, outs. It goes into a tank in the side of this building here. 250 gallon hot water tank. So let's get this baby fired up. Let's just do that by making it do something. There we go. And let's see if we get a beep on here. Here we go. Should be getting beeps on this sucker. I got a beep. That's not our problem. So I don't know, there's not much in here. I mean, it's just some fans and a little bit of diagnostic and ignition module here, but it just seems like you know, you got a clear see-through relay. You can see right into it, which is pretty cool. I like the way they did that. To see when it does energize, you know, firings and stuff like that. But I think our problem here is just it's got low air. I don't know why. You can see daylight back here. See that right there? That goes down the filter plume, and then there is no filter there, so it's totally unrestricted right now. And this thing is blinking 1. This is blinking 1 because I've unhooked this, and it's not even trying to fire right now. Not even trying to ignite the igniter. So I think our problem actually is maybe we're out of gas, or we really do have a low air situation. I don't know. See, that shut off in the fail-safe. See, that went in this fail-safe and is blinking the trouble code now. It's so hard to see on my camera, but trust me, it's blinking. It blinks fast. And you can barely see it, but it's just barely blinking. Like, the camera can't pick it up, but it just goes flick, flick, flick. But I don't think we have a low air situation due to sealing, or this thing is working. As you just heard, I have beeps on it. I didn't have beeps before. Now that it's turned off, we'll double confirm that just to make sure. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Try to get y'all set up here. Again, this is why I want my glasses back. I'll probably be purchasing some more. But yeah, I don't get any beeps. Hold on. Jesus Christ. There we go. Oh, God almighty. See, it's more dangerous to film with your phone, guys, than it is like I do with the glasses and stuff. You might get more stable footage and stuff like that, but at what cost? Like my bird finger. See that nice little scar? 7 stitches. Trying to film a key video for you guys, and well, key machine didn't like my finger being in the way, and I didn't like my finger being in the way, so yeah. I actually had that incident on film, but I ain't gonna film it, so. Alright, so we turn off the power first and foremost, and we'll put this back up there. Orange was over here for your common. Hold on. And brown was down. That's how you remember that shit. Brown was down. Alright, so it's not our flow. It's not our flow switch. It's got airflow. That's working. So it's staying satisfied right now. I'm on call, so I definitely want this to work. But I think it short cycling is part of the problem. It's not satisfied with what it is, you know. So I don't know. We'll do this again. Just make sure this is all sealed up. But I have it on 100 and almost 140 degrees right now. We're trial for ignition, which means it's lighting the igniter. Stage 1 will kick in here in a second, and then it'll go right back out. There it goes. I heard boom, and I felt it, and it went right back out. There's a almost a combustion kind of type of thing going on with this thing. What I'm going to probably do, guys, and I hate to do it because y'all never see me get to fix anything. This is the way I want it done. We have these little barcodes here. Right here. And there's model and serial number, and when I scan that barcode with my phone, I can go and put in a service call. And they'll send somebody out here to look at it. I've diagnosed this as much as I can. It's gonna whoop, and there it goes again. It's fired this time. It's staying on, and then it goes off. There you go. Really heavy. Whoa, whoa, uh-oh. What is this? What is that? Guys, I might have fixed it. Just by touching stuff. I don't know. I think maybe this had a crimp in it or something, or maybe I jogged something loose, but as you can see, when I get to the side like this, guys, the lights look like they go out because they're so recessed in there. And my light's on my phone. But stage 1 is firing right now. Looks like we fixed it. Maybe by just, you know, moving this around and, you know, pushing down some rubber seals and stuff. I mean, I always check that simple stuff first, you know. I try to. But she's a heater. She's going, mama. Guys, Jeff the maintenance man. I guess I did fix something for once. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. You have a good one.